All right, today is day 2 of a 50 squat challenge each day for 10 days. And today is day 2. Okay, and I'm dedicating this one to Dawn, who's doing this with me, Twaun, who got me started, and I think it was Twaun's friend Tamika who started the original 10-day challenge. Okay, here we go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I can hear the back of my thighs talking to me from yesterday. 10, woo, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now you're welcome. If 25 is it for you now, you can do 25 now and do another 25 an hour or two from now. You can take a break and breathe for a minute, or you can push straight through. All right, and I am pushing. Here we go. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, ooh, feel that burn, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Yay! Thank you everyone who's done this with me. I'm doing mine on a vibration plate. I have a Life Pro vibration plate that I just love. They do not sponsor me. I bought it on my own because I found out last year that my legs have lipedema in it, and so do my arms. I have lipedema fat in both my arms and legs, and my doctor suggested, my vein doctor suggested, I try a vibration plate. So, as well as wearing compression leggings, which I hate because it's so hot here in the summer, but I'll be wearing again in the fall, and the vibration plate. And if you're ever curious about vibration plates, I do have an Amazon store that you can check out.
And talk to your doctor.
But always talk to your doctor. I do have one of my friends who has bad back, and she was going to get a vibration plate, but her doctor said, no, not with your bad back. My back is fine though, so the vibration plate is working for me. And when you do your 50 squats, you're also welcome to use weights if you'd like to lose weight. Use weights. I might add a little bit of weight later, but right now, this is challenging enough for me. All right, everybody, hold on to your anchor moments and make it a great day. See you tomorrow.